pitch new brands, you can plan your content, you can track your affiliate income, manage invoices, monitor your revenue, organize your expenses, record your business mileage, and then see everything come together on a central dashboard. Hi, and welcome to the OpenMetric Creator Suite overview. I'm going to do a complete walkthrough of the Creator Suite and all of the trackers. Running a creator business is very exciting, but it can also become overwhelmingly surprising very, very quickly. One day you're pitching to brands, the next you're planning content, chasing invoices, tracking affiliate commissions, recording business expenses, and wondering where all your income actually comes from. So if you ever find yourself switching between multiple spreadsheets, notebooks, or apps just to stay organized, you're not alone. That is exactly why we've created the OpenMetric Creator Suite. This is an all-in-one Google Sheets business system for creators. It's designed to help influencers, bloggers, YouTubers, freelancers, and small business owners to organize every part of their business all in one connected workspace. So instead of using separate spreadsheets for revenue, invoices, tracking your affiliate income, managing your tax records or expenses, your content planning, everything works together inside one Creator Suite. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete tour of the suite and show you how all the trackers connect together. So rather than explaining every single feature, I'll show you the overall workflow, and if you'd like to delve deeper into any individual tracker, I've also linked dedicated tutorials for each one in the description below. So let's get started. The first thing you will see is the home dashboard. Think of this as the control center for your creator business. Instead of opening 6 different spreadsheets to understand how your business is performing, everything is summarized in one place. Across the top, you will find your key business metrics, giving you instant overview of your income, your invoices, your affiliate earnings, and content activity and other important information. As you use the Creator Suite, these figures update automatically, giving you a live snapshot of your business. You will also notice a wide range of visual charts throughout the dashboard. These make it so much easier to spot trends, monitor performance, and understand how your business is growing over time. And rather than looking through hundreds of rows of data, you can quickly see exactly what is happening at a glance. One of the biggest strengths of the Creator Suite isn't any individual tracker. It's how everything connects. Imagine you receive an email from a brand interested in working with you. You record that opportunity within the brand pitch tracker, which is listed at the bottom here in the tab. Once the collaboration is confirmed, you plan the campaign inside the content planner. When the project is delivered, you create an invoice with the Invoice Tracker. Once payment arrives, that income is then recorded in the revenue tracker. For affiliate commissions, these are tracked separately in the affiliate tracker, giving you a complete picture of every income stream. And throughout the year, you can organize your expenses and your mileage inside the tax tracker, making tax season much less stressful. Finally, everything flows back to this dashboard. That's what makes this much more than a collection of spreadsheets. It's a complete creator business management system. Before we move on to looking at the trackers, when I started, I showed you the welcome guide. That also gives you an idea of what all of the trackers are about, as well as an intro into how everything works. You do also get a PDF starter guide, which also includes screenshots, as well as information on all of the various different areas, like the different charts, the settings page, and all of the automated columns within the tracker system. So now let's take a look at each tracker, starting with the revenue tracker. The first question every creator eventually asks is, where is my money actually coming from? When you're earning from brand collaborations, affiliate marketing, digital products, YouTube, blogging, freelance work, it doesn't take long before keeping track of your income becomes very difficult. This is where the revenue tracker comes in. This is where you record every payment your business receives, helping you build a complete picture of all your income throughout the year. And as you add new transactions, the dashboard automatically updates with key figures, income trends, and visual reports, making it easy to understand which revenue streams are performing the best. So, whether you're a content creator, an influencer, a freelancer, or a small business owner, having a dedicated revenue tracker gives you a much clearer understanding of how your business is growing over time. If you would like to see every feature in detail, including how to record transactions, customize categories, and understand the dashboard, I've created a complete revenue tracker tutorial on the YouTube channel, which you will find linked in the description below. If we now move on to the affiliate tracker, for many creators, affiliate marketing becomes one of the most valuable sources of recurring income. The challenge is that commission often arrives from multiple networks, different brands, and at different times. Trying to remember what's been approved, what's still pending, and what's already been paid can quickly become confusing. So the affiliate tracker brings everything together in one organized spreadsheet. You can record every commission, monitor payment status, and see exactly how your affiliate income is growing over time. The dashboard helps you understand which partnerships are delivering the strongest results, making it easier to focus on opportunities that are actually generating the biggest returns. If affiliate marketing is an important part of your creator business, I have a dedicated affiliate tracker walkthrough where I explain every feature step by step. You can find that also linked in the description below. The brand pitch tracker acts like a lightweight CRM for creators. Instead of searching through emails, trying to understand or remember who you've been in contact with and when you last followed up, everything is recorded in one place. You can monitor outreach, follow-up dates, campaign details, and the status of every collaboration from the first conversation through to the successful partnership. One of the biggest differences between hobby creators and professional creators is having systems. Professional creators don't rely on memory, they rely on organized workflows. That's exactly what this tracker is designed to help you build. And of course, if you'd like a full walkthrough of the brand pitch tracker, you'll find a dedicated tutorial on our YouTube linked below. And once your collaboration is confirmed, the next step is to actually create the content. So let's move on to the content planner where you will organize your publishing schedule, manage campaigns, and keep your entire content workflow on track. So one of the biggest challenges every creator faces isn't coming up with ideas, it's staying consistent. When you're managing multiple platforms, brand campaigns, and content deadlines, it's easy for things to slip through the cracks. That's exactly why we have included the content planner in the Creator Suite. This is your central hub for planning, organizing, and tracking all your content in one place. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, blog posts, Instagram reels, TikTok content, or Pinterest pins, you can organize your entire publishing schedule in one single dashboard. Each content item can be tracked from the initial idea through to production and editing, all the way to publication. As you update the status of the content, the dashboard automatically reflects your progress, giving you a clearer view of what's planned, what's currently working, what's currently being worked on, and what's already been published. The charts also help you to visualize your publishing activity over time, making it easier to maintain a consistent content strategy. For creators who regularly work with brands, this planner becomes even more valuable because it keeps campaign deadlines and deliverables organized alongside your everyday content. If you would like a complete walkthrough of every feature, including how to customize the planner and manage your content calendar, a dedicated content planner tutorial link is included in the description below. Let's now move on to the Invoice Tracker. Once you've delivered your work, the next step is getting paid. Creating an invoice is straightforward. Keeping track of who has paid, who hasn't, and when the payments are due is where things become much more challenging. The Invoice Tracker has been designed to simplify that process. Here you can record every invoice you send, monitor the payment status, track the due dates, and see exactly how much money is still outstanding. As your invoices are updated, the dashboard automatically shows your paid invoices, paid pending payments, and overdue balances, giving you a clearer picture of your business cash flow. One feature I particularly like is the needs attention section. Rather than checking every invoice individually, the spreadsheet automatically highlights invoices that may require follow-up, helping you to stay on top of outstanding payments without consistently searching through all your records. For creators, influencers, and small business owners, having a dedicated invoice tracker means spending less time on admin and more time focusing on work that actually grows your business. And because the invoice tracker is connected to the rest of the Creator Suite, once payment is received, it naturally becomes part of your overall financial picture. If you'd like to learn more about managing invoices, understanding the dashboard, and customizing the tracker, you will find a full invoice tracker tutorial linked below. At this point, we've taken a project from the very first brand conversation through planning and delivery all the way to getting paid. The final piece of the puzzle is staying organized behind the scenes by tracking your business expenses and preparing for the tax season. So let's finish with the tax tracker and business mileage log before bringing everything else together. Let's be honest, most creators do not enjoy doing or thinking about their taxes. But by staying organized through the year, it makes the tax season far less stressful. And that is exactly why the tax tracker is included as part of the Creator Suite. So rather than trying to gather receipts and remembering expenses months later, you can record everything as it happens. The tracker allows you to organize your business expenses, categorize transactions, keep track of receipts, and monitor your spending throughout the year. As you continue adding records, the dashboard gives you a clear overview of your expenses, helping you understand where your money is going and making it easier to prepare your financial records when the tax season arrives. You will also find a useful needs attention section that highlights missing receipts or uncategorized expenses. This is so you can resolve small issues before they become bigger problems. The goal isn't to replace professional accounting or tax advice, is to give you simple, organized ways to manage your records all year round. If you would like a detailed walkthrough of every feature, including the dashboard, reports, and expense tracking, we've also linked the complete tax tracker tutorial in the description below. Now let's look at the mileage log. If your work involves traveling to meetings, filming locations, events, or brand collaborations, the built-in business mileage log makes it easy to keep those journeys organized too. Instead of keeping track of separate notes or trying to remember trips at the end of the year, you can record your business travel as it happens. Keeping accurate mileage records alongside your expenses means all your business information stays together in one place, making your workflow so much more organized. And that's really what the Oaken Metric Creator Suite is all about. It's not just 6 individual spreadsheets, it's one connected system that helps you manage your creator business from start to finish. You can pitch new brands, you can plan your content, you can track your affiliate income, manage invoices, monitor your revenue, organize your expenses, record your business mileage, and then see everything come together on a central dashboard. Instead of constantly switching between different apps and spreadsheets, you always know exactly where your business stands. Whether you're a content creator, a YouTuber, a blogger, influencer, or freelancer, or even a small business owner, having an organized system like this gives you more clarity, saves you time, helps you focus on what matters most, and that's creating great content and growing your business. So I hope this walkthrough gave you a good overview of how the creator system works and how each tracker fits into your overall workflow. If you'd like to learn more about any individual tracker, you will find dedicated tutorials linked in the description where I walk through every feature in much more detail. And if you're ready to organize your own creator business, you can download the Okan Metric Creator Suite from the Etsy shop using the links below. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you gave it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more Google Sheets tutorials, creator business tips, and productivity tools designed to help content creators build organized and profitable businesses. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.